Clark Smith Adventures. This is your host, Amy Cinnamon Clark Smith. I am up to no good. I'm up to no good. I'm going to videotape my man sleeping because he wonders why I can never go to sleep. He wonders why I can never sleep in the bed with him sometimes, and he wonders why I sleep on the couch sometimes. I will show you why. Do you hear it? Do you hear it? Like, he sounds like a freight train, or like a bear, or a chainsaw. I just wanted to show you what I go through. This is every night. This is every night. Every night. My man literally gets up at 3 in the morning to go to work. So this starts about 9 o'clock. He goes to bed, and that's all you hear. Clark Smith Adventures. Wish me luck. I can go to sleep tonight. I'm going to show him this video. I don't think he believes me when I say that he snores so loud. I don't think he believes it. Well, he's going to believe it now. So, have fun. Good night.